Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for a good edge of your seat thriller, then you need to pick up Before the Fall from Noah Hawley. This book had me captivated the entire time. The book follows 11 people who are leaving Martha's Vineyard on a private jet headed for New York, but 16 minutes into their trip, the plane plunges into the ocean. There are only two survivors of this plane crash. This book jumps between the aftermath of the crash and the backstories of all the passengers and the crew members, and you really get a lot of intrigue, odd coincidences. It's such an interesting book. I literally could not put it down. So if you are looking for a really good read that is going to keep you on the edge of your seat until the very end, pick up Before the Fall. You will absolutely love this book, and that is my point of view.